can now create branded templates as an enterprise Yodeck customer. Create your own custom branded template gallery to maintain brand consistency across all of your screens and make sure your content is always looking its best. To create a branded template, create a new layout, either from scratch or based on a template. Then lock specific elements in place. Give it a name and publish it as a new template for everyone to use. Also add template managers as users to your account. They will have access to branded templates and will be able to enable and disable the features, rename the tab, also create, edit, delete, publish and unpublish any branded templates. By using branded templates, you can ensure that brand guidelines are followed. It will also streamline the layout creation process, saving you time when it comes to creating new layouts. You will be able to control what is shown on every screen, whilst allowing local screen managers to adjust the content based on their needs. Upgrade to the Enterprise plan today to explore all of Yodeck's features.